All right, Matubato, I think, has been summoned, and he had showed up in the office, so his testimony has been recorded. In other words, the case is still pending investigation.
Ma'am, would findings from you would take the ICC out of the picture? Would that mean that we are exhausting our efforts in the Philippine level? So dapat wag munang makialam ng ICC?
You see, the ICC can only complement, complement, complement Philippine laws. So if they believe that the Philippine government is doing something to control or to pass upon complaints respecting the subject of the complaint of Matubato, then probably the ICC will not move, because it's supposed to complement only.
Does that mean that the ICC complaint will not have any effect, or will not stall, or will not prevent the Ombudsman?
It will certainly not stall. It would depend on the how the ICC look at it, because it has jurisdiction over a particular person, not over the state. A particular person who belongs to a state who is signatory to the treaty that covers the problem. It's up to the ICC if it gives due course to the complaint of Mr. Sabio. Nasa kanila yan. I wouldn't be thinking that they might or they might not. It's up to them. I have no idea how they are going to approach the case.
Pero what about yung clause na parang all legal means must be exhausted before?
Precisely, it's up to the ICC to determine if the requirements before filing a case in the ICC have been met. It's up to them to determine.
Because if they take up the case, wouldn't that mean that it's because the court thinks na hindi gumugulong dito? Yung hindi gumugulong yung kaso dito?
Not necessarily.
Okay, so it can be parallel to the investigation.
To complement.